Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. In this video, we will learn how to watch replies in Valorant. So let's start the video.
So basically, if you go to in your career settings, you can see those are your match histories. But from here, there is no way you can see the replays. It's not like other game like Fortnite or CS:GO to check if they're hacking or not. So what I find out, what I usually do is kind of funny, but make sure when you play a game, you record. So I'm using OBS right now. It's a software, a gaming record software that I'm going to use in order to watch my gameplay. So yeah, most of my gameplay save here. Save on this OBS output side. So basically what you're gonna do is that's how you basically watch your gameplay. Like I'm watching mine and yeah, and that's the line, right? Right. So I hope this is helpful, and if you're still having problems to find your replays, do comment below. Thank you. I appreciate it.